Hi guys, I'm sitting in Hyundai Tucson 2016 and I want to show you how the panel of air condition works and how many buttons these buttons are for what. The middle one is for the speed of fan. You can simply adjust the speed, how fast your air coming out from air vents. Next to there are three buttons which you can press separately. The air vents go straight to the windscreen on the middle, or the third one is on your legs. You can switch each one separate, so you can choose which direction you want the air won't go. Below there are two very popular buttons, so is air coming from outside, and the next one is air circulate only inside the car. This version have a heated seat, the left side, the passenger and the driver side. There are three different levels, so it's a hot, medium and low. Very comfy stuff. When you press the big knob with letter auto, the air condition is in automatic system. On the other knob there is a sync, that means synchronization. When you off, then you can separate, adjust the temperature on the passenger side and on the driver side. When you press the sync again, then the temperature is adjusted by the driver for both sides, the whole car cabinet.